Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Tuesday, 2nd March 2021 and we will do the exercise number 2.1 which is taken from unit number 2 whole numbers. These are some examples which I will do so that you can solve the problem easily. So let's start our work. You know, circle is used to represent the given whole number. So here the question is less than 10. So we will mark from 0 to 9 to represent the whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 9. Our next question is greater than 6. So we start circling from 7 to 15 to represent the given whole number. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. As we discussed that this symbol is used to represent greater than or equal to, so we will circle from 9 to 15 to represent the given whole number. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. In this question, we will circle the whole number from 0 to 5 to represent 2, 5 as this symbol is used to represent less than or equal to. So we start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This question have two sign, greater than or less than. So we will circle those number which are greater than 7 and less than 15. So we will start from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now this question is similar to above part, that we will circle those number which are greater than or equal to 2 or less than or equal to 12. So we start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay student, try to understand these all example and we will solve the exercise related to these example in class. Okay, Allah Hafiz.